Baby, mommy is here to help you.
Whether you're driving a car or taking the bus, I highly recommend this foldable shopping cart. Supermarket plastic bags are not sturdy at all. They tear easily when you carry lots of groceries, and it's so frustrating. This cart solves all those problems perfectly. Normally, you can carry it.
Oh my God, what are you doing?
Don't panic, look at this!
Oh my God, it's so clean.
For anyone who doubts whether it really cleans, here's the proof. I spray on the foam, let it sit for a little while, and then wipe it with a cloth. Look how easily the dirt comes off. No scraping or hard scrubbing needed. And it's not just for one area. You can use it on seats, carpets, seat belts, the center console, and all plastic parts. I love it because after cleaning, everything feels fresher and clearer, and the car looks much tidier. Keep in mind the price right now is usually better than in supermarkets and may vary. So tap the orange cart and check the product details. You're gonna love it.
3, 2, 1, go!
The person who invented this should really be awarded a Nobel Prize. There is a profound sense of calm that comes with genuine restoration, revealing the authentic texture of natural wood, the clean definition of stone, and the original brightness of a living space. When surfaces reflect the morning light exactly as they were meant to, it brings a quiet, undeniable clarity to the entire environment.